Hey LG G7 ThinQ users, experiencing that pesky lag on your device, it can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through actionable steps on how to fix lag on LG G7 ThinQ, transforming your phone into a smooth and responsive one. Step 1. Clear cache. One of the first things you can do to improve lag is clearing your device's cache. Cached data helps apps load faster, but over time it can build up and slow the phone down. To clear the cache on your LG G7 ThinQ, go to Settings, tap on Storage, select Cached Data, and confirm to clear it. This should help free up some space and give your phone a quick performance boost. Step 2. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Sometimes apps you rarely use can consume resources and slow down your device. Review the apps on your phone and identify those you no longer need. Navigate to Settings, choose Apps and Notifications. Scroll through your list of apps and uninstall those you don't need by selecting the app and tapping Uninstall. Removing these apps can significantly enhance your phone's performance. Step 3. Update software. Keeping your phone's software up to date can fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure your LG G7 ThinQ is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, scroll down to System, tap on Updates, and then check for updates. If an update is available, install it to ensure your phone is optimized and runs smoothly. Step 4. Disable or limit animations. Fancy animations might look nice, but they contribute to lag. You can reduce or disable these to quicken responses. Enable developer options by going to Settings, About Phone, then tap Build Number 7 times until prompted. Navigate to Settings, System, Developer Options. Scroll to Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Set each of these to 0.5x or off. Reducing or eliminating these animations can make a noticeable difference in speed. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If your phone is still lagging, it might be time for a fresh start. Performing a factory reset can help if all else fails. Back up all important data, as this process will erase everything. Go to Settings, select System, Reset Options, Erase all data. Confirm your choice and let your phone reset. This gives your LG G7 ThinQ a clean slate, potentially resolving performance issues. Lag on your LG G7 ThinQ doesn't have to be a permanent issue. By clearing cache, uninstalling unnecessary apps, updating software, limiting animations, or executing a factory reset, you can enhance your phone's speed and performance. Remember to regularly maintain your device, keeping it fresh and responsive.